Have you ever wondered why the first human was placed in a garden, surrounded by plants and trees? Let's take a journey back to the first chapters of Genesis. Here we find a vivid account of God planting a garden in the east, in Eden, and placing the man he had formed there. This was no ordinary garden. It was teeming with life, brimming with every seed-bearing plant and tree that bore fruit with seed in it. According to Genesis 1:29, these were given to man for food. Imagine that, a divine pantry, an endless buffet, all within arm's reach. Now let's delve a bit deeper into this fascinating symbiosis. Unlike us, these plants and trees are self-sustaining. Through a process known as photosynthesis, they harness the energy of the sun, crafting their own food from light. We, on the other hand, rely on these plants not just for our meals, but for our very survival. In this beautiful dance of nature, trees and plants breathe out oxygen, an essential element for our respiration, while we, in turn, exhale carbon dioxide, which they use in their photosynthesis. It's an intricate, delicate balance, a cycle that sustains life in our world. Consider this. The first man, placed not in a desert, not on a mountaintop, but in a garden. A garden teeming with plants and trees that not only provide sustenance but also breathe out the very air we need to live. Meanwhile, they convert our exhaled waste, carbon dioxide, into their source of energy, creating a harmonious cycle of life. These plants are not just bystanders in the grand theater of life. They are active participants, playing a pivotal role in the survival and flourishing of mankind. This intricate design, this careful orchestration of life-giving processes, suggests a grand plan, a divine blueprint. Could this intricate design merely be a coincidence? Or is it a testament to a purposeful, intelligent design? Let's continue to explore this fascinating journey in the next scene. Have you considered the perfect harmony in which we share the air with these plants? This isn't just a poetic sentiment. We're talking about a complex, symbiotic relationship that sustains life on Earth. Consider this. When we breathe in, we inhale oxygen, a vital element for our survival. This oxygen is generously provided to us by trees and plants. Now, when we breathe out, we exhale carbon dioxide, a waste product for us, but a necessity for plants. They breathe in this carbon dioxide and, using sunlight, convert it into the oxygen we need. This process is known as photosynthesis. Isn't this exchange remarkable? It's as if a grand designer crafted a perfect, life-sustaining cycle of breath. We give, they take. They give, we take. A silent pact of survival, a testament to the intricate design of life. But wait, there's more to this story. You see, not only do plants provide us with oxygen, they also absorb harmful gases such as carbon monoxide and sulfur dioxide from the air, making our environment cleaner and healthier. This process, this cycle of life and breath, is so perfectly balanced, so delicately designed, that it's hard to dismiss it as mere coincidence. The implications are profound and point towards a grand design. Is it intellectually honest to view this perfect balance as mere coincidence? It's certainly food for thought, isn't it? Have you ever noticed the striking similarities between the human blood molecule and chlorophyll? Let's dive a bit deeper into this fascinating comparison. The life-giving substance that courses through our veins, human blood, has iron at the heart of its molecule. Now let's turn our attention to chlorophyll, the green pigment found in plants that is essential for photosynthesis. At the center of its molecule we find magnesium, not iron. Here's where things get truly interesting. If you were to replace the magnesium in chlorophyll with iron, what you'd get is strikingly similar to human blood. Conversely, if you take the iron out of human blood and replace it with magnesium, you end up with a substance that closely resembles chlorophyll. This fascinating exchange isn't just a chemical curiosity, it's a profound connection that links us to the natural world, to the very plants that we rely on for our survival. It's a bond that stretches from the heart of our cells to the heart of a leaf, demonstrating a shared design that speaks volumes about our place in the world. So can we really dismiss such similarity as a mere coincidence, or is it part of a grand design, a testament to our deep connection with the natural world, a connection that was intended from the very beginning? Perhaps it's time to rethink what we believe about coincidence and intention. Did you know that when you eat plants, you're essentially eating the sun? Yes, it's true. Vitamin D, one of the world's most essential vitamins, is primarily sourced from the sun. This sunshine vitamin is crucial for overall health, supporting our immune system and helping our bodies absorb calcium for stronger, healthier bones. Now consider the marvelous process of photosynthesis. This is how green plants pull of the sun into themselves, transforming sunlight into their food. It's like nature's solar panel, harnessing the sun's energy to fuel growth and life. So when we consume these green seed-bearing plants, we're indirectly soaking up the sun's energy. We're eating sunshine on a plate. This sunlight, transformed into nourishment by the plants, provides us with the vital vitamin D we need. It's an extraordinary cycle of energy and life. Could this incredible mechanism be anything but intentional? This symbiotic relationship between us, plants, and the sun is too intricate, too perfect to be mere chance. It's a testament to an intentional design. Isn't it astounding to realize that we live in an ecosystem perfectly designed to sustain us? We've explored the breath of life, the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide between us and the trees, a symbiotic relationship that is far from random. We delved into the fascinating similarities between human blood and chlorophyll, and how a simple exchange of core molecules transforms one into the other. We've seen how the sun, through the process of photosynthesis, feeds not only the trees, but also us, providing essential vitamins when we consume green seed-bearing plants. All these intricate and interconnected systems work harmoniously to sustain us, to keep us alive and healthy. To view these as coincidences would be intellectually dishonest. It's clear that we are part of a grand design, not random occurrences. Thank you for watching. This video was brought to you by TKW, the Kingdom Warrior. Don't forget to check out the powerful books written by TKW, and remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with your family and friends.